We've got it again, another code yellow warning for Benidorm. Well, it ain't that exciting. Let me explain you guys more about that while I'm heading towards the beach. And after explaining the weather for the upcoming week, then I'll tell you guys where I'm heading to. Still quite busy around for a Monday, more people in the distance, but it's around 6ish p.m, so most people looking for dinner. I'm gonna head towards the coastline, really quiet down there. This looks disgusting. It's all black and everything in here. But it's mostly seaweed and everything that washed ashore. But yeah, we've got a code yellow warning again. They just announced it 2 hours ago on the Benidorm Facebook page. That's where I saw it from the municipality. But the weather the upcoming week isn't going to be the best. We had some really nice weather out here in Spain, in Benidorm especially. Temperatures up to 24 degrees, it was beautiful. Now we're going down again towards 16, I believe, at the lowest. I'll put up the weather screen on the right of here. So as of now, it looks like tomorrow will be the worst day with winds up to 50 kilometers an hour. It's not that much for a coastal city. Yes, it is probably quite noticeable, especially here along the coastline. But as you get towards the bars, a few streets back, there you'll be all right. Nothing going on probably. The worst of rain, because I also gave a warning for rain, is expected on Thursday. As far as I saw how much rain is in the forecast, it isn't that much. And because we have those mountains like here behind me, and also on the other side of Benidorm, right along there, they also continue along all of Benidorm. That is where mostly the rain stops, because it just stays behind the mountains. We're really lucky with that always. So let's hope that will be the case this time as well. Temperatures between 16 and 18 degrees. That's quite all right. I mean, it's the beginning of March. Nothing crazy or so. There they go. Didn't know they ate seaweed. At least that is what I think it is. But as I said, I don't expect it to be the most extreme or anything crazy weather, just a yellow warning they give in advance. It might things go a little bit more intense than people expect. But if you're coming here for holiday, you still have a great time. Let's hope those showers are going to hit at night so nobody notices it. Could be a chance, or they stay behind the mountains, that would be the best. But today I'm heading towards the Mediterráneo. I believe there's a new bar, the sign is up there, I want to see that. And I'll show you guys some more bars along the road. Don't forget to hit that like, really does help always. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So as of today, how weather is here right now. Around 18 degrees, nothing special, no high winds as you can see on the waves. We hardly have them. And it has been quite some grey clouds the whole day. But with 18 degrees, it's quite all right. It's mild weather, nothing crazy. Something I did notice today, I went towards Altea, all the way in the back of Benidorm. There, they started work on the beach again, because with all those storms further on in the back near the old town, all that sand has washed away over here. And Altea also had quite some storm damage. They have started again with replacing, making everything fresh again. They have started already, but over here not. Let's hope they will start soon. Probably they will wait until this code yellow is finished and then they'll start again. I'm gonna head towards the promenade. There's really nothing much to see right up here. Except it's nice and quiet. Sometimes that's really nice for a change. Okay, let's head on. Tiki Beach we got up here. Let's have a look how the expansion is going. Yeah, Tiki Beach is expanding. They have bought over the bar next to them on the right side. I believe it was the Bananas bar or something. I don't know anymore. But they are going to add it to what they have already, because this bar is really popular, even on a simple Monday. Nothing crazy going on. Caiman on the left, as you can see, is empty down there. But Tiki Beach up here, still really busy. Okay, so they have this already. I believe this is new also. all coverings and everything to make sure you're still sitting nice and comfortable with some horrible weather. Let's hope we don't have that many. And this is the area they're going to expand into. This all will be also Tiki Beach in the upcoming month. I spoke to the owner of Tiki Beach a few weeks ago. He told me planning was until for now to have this ready for Paddy's Day. Then it should be open and up and running with all the crowds coming in. Let's hope so they'll make it. Gonna continue. No one over here for food. €16, really good deal. Got 4 jacks on the left. No one in currently, but yeah, it's dinner time. People are going to have some dinner now. And then bars over here will be more popular, and especially towards the strip in that area. Levante Beach in winter times is really empty just after, and it gets dark and late. It's just empty. Most of the bars closing. Several stay open are Heartbreak, Daytona. Those still do well. But most of the people head towards the strip. Right up here on the left, they have an apartment for sale in Cempo. Let's have a look how expensive that might be. The iconic tower on Poniente Beach. 400,000. Probably the 2-bedroom version. Still really cool if you were living there. Already at the roundabout at Avenida Europa. If you keep a steady pace from here, you're on the Rincon area all the way in the back in just 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes. Belroy Hotel. Games centers over here. And we're nearly there. On the left, there we have the new Tipsy Jockey bar that's coming here. I first thought this was going to be a Spanish version of some kind of popular bar, but apparently they didn't went for that. Huge sign on the left up here, and then a new sign on the front, the side, the front. Let me show you guys for a better look around. Really cool. Let's have a look across the fence. What is all happening? So the windows are in. Can't see anything inside. There's no light on. Would have been ideal if the light was on, then we could have a closer look. The sign really looks cool. They have up there. Right here on the Mediterráneo, next to this church building. And the big bus stop we have up there. If you follow this street, you have several restaurants, and at the end of the street, there is the Jolly Roger. I'm gonna walk past there on the return trip. Really big bar, as you can see. It's coming here in Benidorm. Okay, we're gonna have a look by there in the upcoming weeks how construction progress is going. Right now I'm going towards the roundabout with a big TV screen on it, and then take a left, walk back along the beach, see how busy the bars are or anything is going on. Just a nice stroll, checking out. And oh, they even have the yellow warning signs up here, as you can see above the bus front. And on there they have the yellow warning sign, that small one. Don't know what the camera's putting it to justice, you can see it. And even it was on the big roundabout thingy right up there. There we go, the warning sign on it. Oh, just changed, but still. Since what happened in Valencia, they easily throw out a warning for almost everything, wind, rain, storm, what they expect. They easily throw out some warnings for that, and it's better to be prepared, of course. At least they said it then. There's wind coming, yeah, there's rain coming, okay, it's normal over here. But yeah, they easily do that, and I don't expect actually flights or anything to be have any delays from that, from Alicante airport. Of course, it's quite far out. But my family was visiting over here for the last few days. They are flying out tomorrow in the afternoon. They didn't have any warnings or anything or any delays yet. Let's hope it stays like that. As far as I know, Alicante airport almost never has any delays, at least for the flights of people that I know that go for there. Oh, it's really reliable. And up here, as you can see, the warning has been put out already a few hours ago. Nothing going on. Zero wind. Yeah, tomorrow will be a bit more, but nothing extreme. Let's head towards the left there at Popeyes, back towards the beach. Oh wait, while walking past it, I just seen this. Lots of people love this. €1. Oh, but it is for a caña. That's a small one. Ice cream. 18 degrees. Is quite alright. To still have some ice cream, yeah. Got the Tiki pizza. They aren't expanding as far as I know. This is, well, their terrace is also really popular. We did drink up, well, we did want to go for a drink up here with my family 2 days ago, but it was completely filled up with, of course, the gorgeous weather. No seat to get. Thankfully, a bit further on at the city sports bar, there we could find a seat in the sun. It's almost getting dinner time. Spanish restaurants always start really late. The Guinness bar. Queue is getting empty. Yeah, the weather isn't that for it right now to stay out really long on a terrace out there, outside. That bit in the back near Old Town, I believe they still haven't started any restoration work like they did in Altea. Let's hope it starts soon. So it's really popular, that small corner. There we got the Jolly Roger. Let's have a look, or you can see inside where the Pirate Cove is coming. If we go towards the left up here. Oh no, not yet, unfortunately, I can tell you already. Still the windows are completely sealed off on the left of those doors. That is, I believe, where it's coming. Nothing to see yet. really quiet in most of the bars, but yeah, it's dinner time. It's what we expected now. Okay, so this sign up there at the Pharmacia is showing 15 degrees. Well, of course, it's doing all the commercial thingy. And the one over there is showing 18, while that one is way more in the wind. They are never correct, those things. Especially if they hang into the sun. Yeah, there you go, 15. But if they hang in the sun, they're always too warm for what it really is. Hotel symbol. And on the opposite there, yeah, they're showing the yellow weather alert again. They all have those signs throughout the city, and they really use them well if there's something going on. But as far as I know, no preparations have been met for what is to be to happen here tomorrow with the yellow weather warning. Nothing major going on. Just a bit of wind, a bit of rain. Let's hope the rain will be during night time. That will be the best. At least it is expected for tonight. Tonight at 10. There's a little bit of rain expected, and for the rest, tomorrow is gonna be hopefully dry. Right up here, restoration works on these poles continues. They've really gone far with LED lighting on here. All new benches on them, new poles. They've been going quite far, quite fast lately. And up here at the palm trees, these light poles with lights on them used to take a right towards the beach. Then there you can still see a little tiny bit of what's left of it. And up here they have started removing the other one already, so won't be long until the other one is gone as well. Big works going on, new foundation and everything, they're going for it. Here you can see it's really a big foundation for it, for such a small pool. Can you spot that cruise ship at the horizon? Really hard to see, but it's there. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget hitting a like, do subscribe if you aren't yet. Leave a comment, really helps. Just an emoji is even fine already. I'm happy with that. Really does put out the video a bit more. And if you see that hype button somewhere, please hit it. Really does help. That's a new function from YouTube. Really does help putting the videos out there if you think they're awesome from your favorite creators. Make sure to hit it. Yeah, that was it. I don't have anything more to say. Hopefully a new video tomorrow, later in the afternoon. We'll see how those winds are tomorrow.
I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way.